Can I get a sip of that water? It's not water. Vodka. I like your style. It's vinegar. What? It's vinegar, pussy.
So you'll do it? Yeah, man, I'll kill him. For how much? How about 30 grand?
Stopper gives you all your daily nutrients, like 0 grams of trans fat, and oh my god, cholesterol!
If they have an anime profile picture, then do not trust them unless if it is Naruto, because Naruto is not an anime, it is art.
What happened while I was gone? Boy, Susie had 3 kids, right? How? I was gone for a day. She been fucking.
Raphael, what is this?
That would be a Louis Vuitton belt, Dad.
Have you lost your... This is a Gucci household, nigga.
It's 4th of July. I'm ready to pop these firecrackers. Don't pop them on me. What the police say?
I know the police right there.
Graham, why are all these freaking cookies on the floor?
Phil, can you help me?
Everybody's saying they don't want a bola, and I'm just sitting here like, a bola what? Soup?
Good evening.
Dude, check out this SpongeBob umbrella I just got. Dude, that's bad luck. Don't chill out, bro.
Who summoned me?
Father Steve? Yes, my son? Does God hate you if you're gay? Of course not. Oh.
I'm not going to conversate with you. I'm not going to invest time.
I think it's converse.
Huh?
Just say talk.
I'm so tired of being here.
Form of inspiration.
To be better than everyone. Because I hate everyone. And I want to be better than them. And I want them to know.
Dude, I finally finished my book about nutmeg.
Well, it's about time. No, Kevin. It's about nut.
It's good, bro. You don't know me. You don't. What is good? You don't know. You don't know me. You don't know me.
What the?
I got new shoes.
Why are you so pizza?
Why are you so ugly?
Thanks, I'm ugly. So ugly. I promise, I'm ugly. I'm not ugly. Just eating my pizza. Doing my thing. My thing. My thing. My thing.
You play it, you get $100 million, but 100 million people will die. Kevin, no.
Where's the fettuccine?
This bitch called me ugly. I said, bitch, where? She said, under all that makeup. I said, bitch, where?
We all die. You either kill yourself or get killed.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Anyways, my broskies, I gotta bounce. Bounce on your boy's dick. Hey, got him.